You waiting on me to say action?
No.
Okay.
What's going on, everyone? Today I wanted to do something a little bit different. I know I'm usually writing or just taking pictures, but today I wanted to get behind the camera for a video because I figured it'd be pretty cool to do an unboxing this time, because this is something that I've been waiting on for about 3 or 4 years. 4 years?
4 years.
4 years. So yeah, it's super special to me, super important. I'm gonna peel the curtains back just a little bit. This is actually the second box. The first box came a couple weeks ago, and what was inside that box didn't fit. I want you guys to experience my pure 100%, somebody's phone is going off, my pure 100% reaction to this. I think this one is the classic fit, and the last one was the original fit. Something like that, authentic fit. Anyway, let's cut this bad boy open. What it feels like I cut so deep that I fucking cut
The jacket?
well, now they know what it is. Yeah. Hey, we got the dust bag this time. You can even smell the leather through the dust bag. Like, seriously, smell it. Holy shit, my hanger's broken. Whatever. So I finally got all of those pieces of tissue paper. It was like 10 of them, but I got them all taken off so you guys get to see the jacket in all its glory without the cut. I'm kidding. With the last jacket, it came with this bottle cap opener, and so I'm wondering. Yep. Okay. So now I have 2 bottle cap openers from Straight to Hell. You want this one?
Of course.
So that's for you. Here you go. The hanger broke. Thank you. Disregard the broken hanger if you can. The one thing I like about companies, and this is what really shows you just how much they care about their products and their craftsmanship, just the little things. The hanger alone is wooden hanger. They didn't even have to ship it with the hanger. Or maybe they did. I don't know. But I've purchased clothes online before and they all come on hangers. So the fact that they give me one and all of them have their engraving of the company name Straight to Hell on the front and back, or back and front and back, whatever. Just those little details alone, it impresses me. Let alone not being on a hanger, but it's on a hanger and not just some plastic, one that you go get from the dollar store. Like, this is, even though it's broken, I don't know if it was broken when they shipped it, but those are the little details that I like. Now to actually get into the jacket, like I said, it's the Commando brown washed leather jacket, 100%. If I'm not mistaken, they said it was a full grain Napa buffalo leather. And also, they also have for vegan leather jackets. So if you're not crazy about leather jackets or whatever, the whole process of it, they do offer vegan leather jackets that's considerably cheaper. I can only imagine that it's great quality because this, like I said, I was smelling it through the dust bag, all right? It's like that new car smell before you step inside the car.
So we can sell fake leather jackets now and just call it vegan?
Yeah. Time to try this on. I'm going to try and contain my excitement as much as possible. Hopefully this one fits. So far, so good. Okay. Yeah. I I think we got a winner.
Looks great.
With any leather jacket, it's gonna you're gonna have to give it some time to break in. It's gonna feel a little stiff at first, but as long as it fits, that's key. Give it a couple weeks, wear it, try to wear it more often than you would even think to normally wear it. If you were thinking about maybe just wearing it once a week, try wear it twice a week, try wear it 3 times a week, because with any kind of leather, the more you utilize it, the more it's gonna break in, it's gonna start to form to you, it's gonna become less stiff, it's gonna become more comfortable. Yeah, it's a little stiff, but that's to be expected. As long as it fits and it's not tight, it's not restricting, you're good. Here's the back. Here's the side. Once again, this is the Commando. The Commando brown wash leather. Straight to hell. Let me give you one more back. I'm not gonna finish that word, but one more back view. Yeah, it's got the little ball and chain here, not on the inside. I don't know what's the point of that, because I mean, you already committed to putting it everywhere, so you might as well finish the job. Here.
To go commando.
Yeah, so that's pretty much it. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing just to show you guys, my excitement when I get things, to show you guys, hey, like, this is legit my passion. Yeah, I'm gonna keep you guys updated. I'm gonna do a full written review on it after I've worn it for a couple weeks. So I'd say probably about a month tops before I do the review on it. Probably about 2-3 weeks. I'm still gonna have more stuff coming in between then, but don't expect to see a full-on written review of this jacket for a couple weeks at least, okay? Last time, Commando, wash brown, straight to hell. Second one, because the first one didn't fit, and I'm super excited about it. All right, thanks peeps.
Peace.